Spicy cabbage and bacon, yeah, that's what's for dinner. So break out that wok, let's cook like a winner. One head of fresh cabbage, bacon you love, white or yellow onion, now we're cooking it up. And the star of the show, yeah, don't be shy, gochujang paste, that sweet spicy fly. Buzz Cooks is bringing you another great plate. Hey, so like, share, subscribe, don't hesitate.
All right, let's get started on this super simple but super delicious dinner. We got our bacon. We're just gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Got my wok out, medium heat. Gonna toss that bacon right in there and let that start to cook down. Then we're gonna come back with the onion that we cut up, and we'll let that bacon and onion cook. And while that's cooking, we're gonna work on our cabbage. So I've got one head of fresh cabbage, and we're just gonna cut the core out because that's no good. And then we'll cut this into sections and then chop it up, and then that will go right into our wok once our bacon and cabbage are just about done, because the cabbage is going to cook a lot faster, so you don't want to put it in too soon, then you have nothing but super soggy cabbage. We still want to have a little crunch to it when it's done. So you see here, just kind of cut it into pieces like that, because it's going to shrink up as well once it gets into that heat. So the next thing we're going to do is add a little bit of garlic to our bacon and our onions that are almost ready. That's about 2 tablespoons. I use the paste because it mixes in better. At least I think so. But we'll get that a stir. It's looking really good. Ready for the cabbage to go in. So we'll start to add our cabbage a little at a time and let that cook down, and we're just gonna use our spatula, go from the bottom to the top to get everything mixed up nice. Just like that. Get some of that heat from the bottom to the top. And you'll see how that cabbage will cook down. And now it's time for the star of the show, the gochujang. Depending on your taste buds, you can use a little, you can use a lot, or you can use none of it. If you don't want to use it at all, you don't want any spice at all, what you can also do is just add some soy sauce at this point, and that'll also taste delicious. But I like a little kick to mine, so I'm putting in 3 good tablespoons of the gochujang in. And then we're just gonna gently mix that all up real good. And lastly, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of hoisin sauce. That's another option that you can do or do not, but I liked it, so I put it in. And then you're just about ready to serve. Everybody's gonna love this. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the show. Every Wednesday, every Sunday, a new video comes out. I thank you all very much. This super simple dish, perfect for a weekday dish where you don't really want to cook a whole lot, and very little cleanup, which is always spectacular. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
So break out that wok, let's cook like a winner. One head of fresh cabbage, bacon you love, white or yellow onion, now we're cooking it up. And the star of the show, yeah, don't be shy, gochujang paste, that sweet spicy fly. Buzz Cooks is bringing you another great plate. Hey, so like, share, subscribe, don't hesitate. New videos every Sunday and Wednesday. Hit that bell so you don't miss a thing, baby. Cook up that bacon with the onion first. Let it sizzle, let it drip. Quench the thirst. 2 cloves of garlic.